Today we'll talk about how can you disable earrings on your Webull app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on chart settings, you just click on it. You come to except here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. Then you click here on Operator Actions Display. You come to except here. You come here to earnings here. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean earnings disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.